Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding Card. So in this session we'll try to solve this problem string formatting from the topic string in Python. So let us go through the problem. The problem states that we will be given an integer n and we have to print the following values for each integer I from 1 to n. So for example, if n value is 17, then we have to print the value from 1 to 17 in the form of decimal, octal, hexadecimal and binary. And for hexadecimal they are saying that we have to print the value in capital form. So for example, you can see here for n equal to for I value equal to 10, so hexadecimal value is a, so they have printed the value in capital. So here we have to just complete this function print formatted. So to convert the values in decimal, octal, hexadecimal, we'll simply use the inbuilt function. So let us try to solve this problem. So here we have to print the value from 1 to number. So for that we'll simply use a for loop for I in range. So range is from 1 to number including that number. So for that we'll simply add 1 to include that number. Now the very first one is we have to print the value in decimal. So for decimal we'll simply use the value I, and the second one is octal. So for that we have inbuilt function oct and we'll simply pass the value I. The third one is hexadecimal. So for that we'll simply use hex and pass the value I. And they are saying that for hexadecimal we have to print the value in capital. So we'll simply use upper function. And the last one is we have to convert into binary. For that we have bin function. Now let us test this one with a custom input like 17. Now you can see here this is our output and the expected output is this one. So for example, if you see the value 1, so the value is 1 1 1 and 1 for all the types, but here we are getting 1 0 0 1 0 x1 0 b1. So you can see here if I exclude this 2 byte and take the values after the second byte, so we'll be getting the desired output. So you can see here for every value just including this, the very first one is decimal value. So for decimal value we are getting the correct output, but other like octal octal values, hexadecimal and binary value, if I just take the value excluding the 2 bytes, means if I take the value after second byte, I will be getting the desired output like this one. So for that we'll simply include the value after second byte. So now let us again try this one. Now you can see here we are getting the desired output like this one. Now let us run this code. Now here you can see here we are failed with a simple test case. This is because if you see here our output is this one and their expected output is this one. The number are same but there is a space issue, means a space gap between the two different numbers. So you can see here we have some space but we are lagging here on space. Again you can see here we have space but we are lagging here. So if you see here this output like this one, if I take this last one like 17, you can see here a fixed byte is given to this number. You can see here, if you see here like 3 spaces are there and the value is getting printed, and that fixed byte is again given to all the numbers. You can see here for here we have the fixed byte. Like if I take the fixed byte as 5, you can see here there will be 3 spaces and the value is getting printed, and here the all the fixed byte means 5 length is used for printing the value, and this one extra is for space. This is by default while printing the values, like after comma separated this 1 byte is for the default values in each one. So how to take this fixed value and print this value? So for that we'll use another inbuilt function called rjust. So we have few function like rjust, ljust. So here we will be using rjust. Let me explain you what is that function. So from string we have rjust. It takes two parameter. The first one is the length. This one is the length, and the second is the filling character. Fill character. For example, if my string is 100, and if I use this rjust, and if I give the length 5 and the filling character as space, this one means if I take this str dot rjust of 5 and this space, so what it will do, it will simply take a 5 byte like this one. 5 unit will be taken and it will be filled with space, and my string value is 100, so 100 will be taken from the right side. So before this 2 will be filled with space. Now if I take this string as 1, so this will be taken as, again a 5 byte will be taken here, length 5 will be taken, 5 unit space will be taken, and our string is 1. So before returning this value 1, it will first take all the value which is space, and 1 will be printed here. So you can see here a same unit of length will be taken while printing the value. So if I use this function here while printing the values, so a same unit will be taken here and also here. So when whatever is the string value, it will be getting printed in the same unit of the length, and extra space will be same for all the values. So for that we will simply use that function rjust. So this is my, the first one is my integer value, so I will simply convert it into string, and I will use the function rjust. So it takes two values, so we have to take the length and second one is the space. Now we have to take the length, so what will be the length? So that is the issue. So for length, if you see here, the last value is binary 1. So you can see here, if I take this as a reference, means I have to take this much length. This length, the 5 1 means this much unit of length. So if I take this binary value and take its length, we will be getting this parameter. So for that, we'll simply take a width, w equal to length of this number. First we have to convert it into string and take this number. Now we have to convert this into binary. First we have to convert this into binary. For that we will simply use a bin function. Now we convert it into binary. Now after binary we have to take the, you can see here, so before this one, as we can see here, we have taken the value from the second byte. So we will also take here the value from the second byte. From the second byte, and we simply take the length. So that will be our length value, means the width. So we will simply use this w here, and we will fill the character with space. So we will simply use this function in all the string. We simply use here, and for the last one. Now let us run this code. So we have issue, compilation error. Okay, one bracket is extra over there. Now let us submit this one. So you can see here, now we are getting the same output as the expected one. So let us submit this code. So you can see here we are done with the hidden test cases. So this question was really formatting question, means simply changing to decimal octal was simple, but the main trick was how to format into the given form as the desired output. So for that we have used this rjust function. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.